So welcome to claydesk.ai. I'm going to demonstrate simply how to use one of our discount calculator. So we have thousands and thousands of calculators. Of course, you can take a look at when you go to our homepage, but in this specific demo, I'm just going to show you how to use the discount calculator, where you're able to calculate basically all kinds of discounts, right? You can calculate percent off, you can calculate final price, discount rate, and stack discounts. Unlike other calculators, which simply provide a single type of calculation, our calculators simply have multiple types, so you don't have to go anywhere else. You can just simply stay here. So let's go ahead and demonstrate. So for example, if I need to calculate the percent off to start with, right? So I'm going to enter the original price. Say I'm buying something, right? So the original price is $89, and then I'm going to go ahead and of course set the discount percentage. So that's either 49%. I can simply drag this bar right, left and right. So let's say the discount is say 20% off of my original price, and what I do is just simply calculate discount, and I get the original price, the discount amount, and of course the final price, which is not bad, and that's 20% off. And of course it gives you the price breakdown and saving analysis as well. You can also download in PDF, pretty straightforward, and it will download the results for you. I can also click on new calculation, and of course I can start over again. So if I need to calculate the final price, so for example, if my final price is $99 and the discount is 33%, and then I can of course calculate accordingly. So it's a very powerful calculator. This is how you would actually go ahead and use the discount calculator. And you can use the stack discounts, you can use the discount rate. For example, if the original price is $99 and the final price is say $89, right? So for example, I like to find out what is the discount rate, so I can simply calculate that as well. So this is 10.1% off, right? Off of 99 was the original price, and then of course the final price is $89. So my discount is 10%. So likewise, you can actually take a look at and use our calculator called the discount calculator. Now there are thousands and thousands. You can simply navigate to claydesk.ai and choose any one of these categories. And you can of course, for example, if I go to finance, then you can take a look at auto lease, credit card payoff calculator, auto loan calculator, home equity, mortgage calculator, for example. If I need to, check and find out the mortgage, and they're, same way, you can simply enter the home price and so on. So I hope this makes sense. If you need more information, if you can't find a calculator, just reach out to us. We'll be happy to add one for you. Thanks so much for watching.